Hello everyone. Do you want to make thousands of dollars without doing any work? In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use the brand new and absolutely free AI bot called ChatGPT to create valuable work that you can then monetize in different ways. This is a great way to make passive income online as a complete beginner. For some reason, no one is talking about it, but it's actually one of the best ways to utilize this AI bot to make money online. So, if that sounds good enough, drop a like down below and subscribe to the channel, and let's jump straight into the step-by-step tutorial. The very first thing to do is to open up this AI bot called ChatGPT, which will do the work for you. To access it, go to chat.openai.com/chat. You can speak to ChatGPT and ask it to do a lot of different things, like being your virtual assistant. You can even ask it to write a poem about you or your country. It's a crazy AI bot that can do a lot of different things. But in this video, we are not going to use it to write poems. Instead, we will use it to create valuable work that we can monetize and build a profitable passive income business. To do this, go to the search bar and ask ChatGPT to write a book for you. For example, he can write an ebook about finding ways to make money online, he can write an ebook about where to invest your money, he can write an ebook about 20 different online businesses, and he can write an ebook on literally any topic. So I'm going to ask him for 20 different snacks recipes with instructions, and if I ask him to do that, you will be able to see that he's instantly gonna start writing an entire ebook for me. It's starting writing detailed ebook about 20 different snacks recipes with instructions, and I can actually use this because it's 100% unique content and I can monetize that in many different ways. Now while he's writing an ebook, we are going to proceed to step number 2, which is actually start turning this into an actual ebook, from which you can make money online. So what you can do is you can just go over to canva.com, which is an absolutely free tool, and then you need to go to the search bar, and you need to type food ebook, and that's going to give you like different templates, which you can choose from. So I'm going to go with this template over here. I'm going to customize this template, and we can change the background elements. And instead of 50 dessert recipes, I will just type 20 snacks recipes. And then I will type Earn Express like I'm the author of this book. You can change the background color and the font also. I can add a new page, and as you can see, I have my page number 2 here. You can edit however you want. I will add this shape as page number 1. And then I just go back and take all these chapters, and I'm gonna copy chapter number 1, baked sweet potato fries. I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna paste it here. And then I'm going to type instructions here. Then I will literally just copy and paste the instruction here. Then I'm gonna find some nice image and gonna add it at the bottom of the page. So we have the first chapter. That's how I can literally create a full ebook. You have to copy all these and edit your own ebook however you like, and this is how I will have a cover and content for my book. You have to save this as a PDF from here, and with this PDF, you can make money to get sales. What you need to do is you need to go to Amazon Kindle. Amazon Kindle. Amazon is a $1 trillion company that is visited by millions of people every day. People who list their ebooks on Amazon have a chance to get thousands of sales by Amazon itself. You can see, for example, this person was selling this book for $10 and has gotten over 79,493 reviews. Not every single person will ever review it means they got more than 79,493 sales at the price of $10. If you do the math, this person makes hundreds of thousands of dollars by uploading a single PDF file. If you literally just upload the PDF file once, it stays on Amazon forever, and whenever someone buys it you just earn a commission from Amazon. To publish your own book on Amazon, all you gotta do is go to kdp.amazon.com and you can see this is self-publishing ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle the right publishing, and you can literally reach millions of readers on Amazon. Got a vast market, so you literally don't need an audience for this. You can just publish your book and get to reach millions of people across the world. So you can make more money and earn up to 70% royalty on sales to customers worldwide. What you need to do is create an account, and you need to start publishing your books, which you're literally getting generated by using ChatGPT. So there goes an easy idea to make passive income online without actually doing the work yourself just by using ChatGPT AI bot. If you got some value out of this video, make sure to drop a like down below and subscribe. See you in the next video.